Yo, what's going on, my Setsu crew? So, Set the Rage here. Here we have my electronic Mech GP 16 RTX4080 laptop. Finally got the wireless Lian fan with the LCD screen there. So this is pretty much a LPP, which is liquid propulsion unit with a case mod. I put wireless fan in there with the LCD. So I was able to just take the little trim pieces that were here on the side off, and it actually just fit right inside there. So I didn't have to use a Dremel or anything. It was pretty much held on by double-sided tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video. I already got the dongle inside there. Program is already installed. Now the only issue I see so far is being that I'm using the USB header right here, the PWM header for the fan. It does keep the fan running. I don't know why, but there's also a RGB header there, but we ain't gonna use that because that's what the software would use as far as changing the RGB on the older style fan, which is this one. So we don't care about the RGB header because this RGB is wireless. So now I have the reversed USB header for the screen, and then the power should be coming through here for the screen as well. So I'll pause the video, see if we can get it up and running, see what it looks like. 1 second. Alright, well, as you see, it's already powering on right now. That should stay solid. It should stay just like that. I think in the software there's a way to rotate the screen, so we'll have to figure that out. Alright, so let me just sign in. Now my other issue is this cable is kind of short. I mean, this does come out some, but I don't want this part coming out of the case. So I might have to just get like a USB extension cable. So let's see if we go to the Lian software. So it's already found the dongle right here. Yeah. Alright, so there it is. So now that's the RGB. It's already paired with the dongle. So we can go here, and if we want, we can, there was one RGB light that I liked. Let's see which one it is. No, it's not that one. So as you can see, I'm controlling the RGB. There was a light that I did like. Let's go to apply. No, we don't want rainbow. We don't want that. I think, no, it's not that. I think it's Meteor. I think it's this one. Yeah, that's the one I like, right there. Okay, so as far as the screen is concerned, let's see if we can add, well, first of all, let's see, how do we flip the screen? Alright, let me pause the video real fast and figure out how do I flip the screen. 1 second. Okay, so I figured out how to flip the screen. It's just this little icon right there. So that's how you flip the screen, but as you can see, it's working. Now if I wanted to, I can have like the GPU temp there. So we go to sensor here, and then we go to GPU temperature. We got to flip the screen on that one too. Okay. It's just, nope. So that was pretty much my plan, was to put the GPU temperature right there, so that way I mean, this can't really go too far anyway, being that it's hooked up to the water here. So I mean, I'll have to just get like a little USB extension cable, but I wanted to see the GPU temp inside there. So yes, finally it's all working. So I'll put the case back on, screws back in. I'll Dremel like a little bit right here to pass this wire through. Right here. Just Dremel just a little bit. Or yeah, I guess right here would be pretty fine. I'll Dremel right there, and it's pretty much it. So finally, I am 100% done with pretty much everything. So that's working. This is working. My Acer is in there. So thanks for watching. If I come up with any other projects, I'll make a video, of course. But as of right now, I'm actually pretty much done. So stay tuned. Believe me, my brain works in crazy ways, so I'll figure out something to tinker with. All right, thanks.